Welcome to yoga. You won't need anything for your practice today except for a chair. So grab a chair that has a back but no sides, like the one you see on screen. Pause here to grab your chair. Otherwise, if you're ready, let's begin. Take a seat on your chair with your feet flat on the ground about hip distance apart so your legs are parallel coming out of your hip sockets. With 90 degrees in your knees, place your hands on your thighs, sit up tall, relax your shoulders and close your eyes. And take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your nose. Feel your shoulders relax. Again, in through your nose, a little deeper. Out through your nose. Feel your face relax. One more time, in through your nose. Out through your nose. Feel your body relax. And continue to breathe smooth and deep in and out through your nose through the rest of your practice and the rest of your day, to invite a sense of peace and grounding. With this relaxation, lower your right ear towards your right shoulder. And feel free to keep your eyes closed so you can focus on sensation and the gentle stretch along the left side of your neck, trap, shoulder, or wherever you feel it. Your jaw is relaxed, your eyebrows are soft. Three, two, one. Draw your chin back to center and lower your left ear towards your left shoulder. You're not forcing your head down or yanking yourself into position, just adjusting yourself to slowly move into the pose, and then relaxing, letting go to let gravity take hold. Each long exhale an opportunity for you to relax a little further. Three, two, one. Slowly rise, come back to center. And this time, lower your chin down towards your right armpit. It might not feel like much right away, but trust that as you relax into place, deepening your breath, softening your face, jaw, neck, and shoulders, you may notice tension releasing along the backside of your neck, into your left shoulder, even down between your shoulder blades. For 3, 2, 1. Draw your chin back to center. Take your time. And slowly lower your chin down towards your left armpit. Notice any connection between your deep, smooth breath in and out through your nose, and any sensation you might feel along the backside of your neck, right shoulder, and inside of your right shoulder blade. Three, two, one. With your chin back to center, take a deep breath in, deep breath out, and lower your chin down towards your chest. Let your head hang heavy as you slowly soften with each exhale. So even the smallest muscles along your neck, at the base of your skull, in between your shoulder blades, can relax. With your hands holding onto your knees, slowly lift your chin up, take your time, and then pull your chest forward as you roll your shoulders open and lift your chin up. This is like a seated cow pose, so you're opening up through your chest and stomach, even the front of your neck. Take a big breath in and lift your chest up a little higher. Then as you breathe out, slowly come back to center and then round your spine, tuck your chin, cave your chest, and feel your shoulders roll in towards each other. Press the space between your shoulder blades back towards the back of your seat. And if you need to scoot forward on your seat to make more room, go ahead. Exhale everything from your lungs. Then as you inhale, pull your chest forward, lift your chin up, roll your shoulders back for that seated cow pose. Then exhale to round your spine, tuck your chin, cave your chest, and press your back for seated cat back. One more time. Inhale to roll your chest forward, lift your chin up. Exhale to cave your chest and round your spine. And slowly make your way back to your seated neutral position. Those cat-cow spinal waves can be done anytime throughout the day to help wake up your spine and release tension. So keep that in your back pocket. Next, we'll move into a ragdoll fold from our chair. So feel free to take your feet a little bit wider for more stability and to create more space for your upper body. Then use your hands to walk your upper body forward as you slowly lower down towards the ground. Take your time. Eventually, when your hands are down on the ground supporting you, let your head hang heavy and relax your upper body so you can hang loose like a rag doll. Your neck is relaxed. Your jaw is relaxed. Shoulders are soft and arms long and loose. Feel your breath as it travels up and down your spine, creating space and releasing tension wherever you need it. This pose is extremely relaxing. It's like pushing the brakes on any fight or flight response you might be having in your body. So if at any point throughout your day, or especially at night before bed, you feel like your mind is racing, you're having a hard time calming down, remember this pose. And how it feels as you breathe and melt into place. Now to come out, take your time as you slowly prop up on your hands and lift your head up, coming into somewhat of a halfway lift with a long flat back. Then you can take your hands or your forearms to your thighs to slowly rise back up into your seated position, inhaling as you come all the way up. Once you're back up to seated, take a moment to settle in, find your breath, ground down through your feet. And with your face relaxed, shoulders soft, take a deep breath in, deep breath out. And let's add a twist. Take your right hand to your left knee and take your left hand on the back of your chair. Then turn your upper body to the left, as if you were looking for someone behind you, but keep your hips grounded. Your hips and knees are facing forward as your chest and shoulders turn to your left. There's no benefit in yanking yourself into place. You're already in the twist, so just turn through your chin and gaze and breathe. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back to center to reset. And when you're ready, we'll take the other side. Place your left hand on your right knee, your right hand to the back of your chair, and turn your upper body to the right, turning through your chest, shoulders, chin, even through your gaze. Then breathe as you slowly relax into place within this twist. And take your time as you come back to center to reset. Hands on your thighs, shoulders relaxed, sit up tall. Take a big breath in, big breath out. Now reach your left arm up overhead and then bend at your elbow as if you were trying to scratch the back of your neck. Then reach your right hand up and back to grab onto your left elbow to assist a gentle tricep stretch. Make sure you're not jutting your head forward to make space. Keep your head up in line with your spine. And relax what you don't need, muscles in your face, your jaw, your shoulders, your hands. And you're welcome to stay right here, or you can add a little side bend, bending your body towards the right to help open up your whole left side body. Then slowly release. Come back to center, palms down, reset, and feel the blood flow down your arms. For the right side, reach your right arm up and back. Then reach your left hand up to grab onto your right elbow, assisting into a gentle tricep stretch. Keep your chin up, spine tall, and if you did so on the other side, add that side bend, bending into your left side to open up your whole right side body. Long, smooth breaths for 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. With your hands down on your thighs, feel the blood flow back down into your arms. Next, reach your arms straight forward, then cross your arms so your left elbow is underneath your right. Then bend at your elbows to grab onto your shoulders. We'll call this a bear hug. Right here, notice if you feel any opening in your upper back. You're welcome to experiment with lifting or lowering your elbows. Or you can take a traditional eagle arms variation instead, where you keep your elbows connected but cross again at your wrists to increase the stretch between your shoulders and shoulder blades. And wherever you are, remember to relax into place. Straining for a deeper stretch will only leave you feeling strained at the end of your practice. Relaxing into a deeper stretch will leave you feeling relaxed at the end of your practice. So go ahead and unravel your arms. And for a chest expansion, you can grab onto the back of your chair and lift your chest up as you roll your shoulders open, lean your head back, or take a traditional chest expansion if it's in your practice to interlace your knuckles, rolling your shoulders open and lifting your chest up. Big breath in and big breath out, release. Let's take that bear hug on the other side. First, reach your arms forward and then cross so your right elbow is underneath your left. Bend at your elbows to grab onto your shoulders. Then take your time as you find a similar variation that you took on the other side, exploring movement and relaxing everything you don't need, starting from the tense muscles between your eyebrows, at the corners of your eyes, even in your jaw. Relax your shoulders, your hands, and deepen your breath. And slowly release. Unravel your arms and take that chest expansion. Grab onto the back of your chair or interlace your knuckles. Roll your shoulders open, lift your chin up. If it feels good, lower your head back and take a big breath in. Big breath out. Come back to center with your hands on your thighs. Feet flat on the ground, about hip distance apart, 90 degrees in your knees. Sit up tall through the crown of your head and relax your shoulders. And take a peek at me. Rub your hands together like I am. In doing so, you're creating heat and energy between your palms. With this heat built, cup your hands over your eyes so you can create complete darkness around your eyes. But I want you to keep your eyes open so you can soften your gaze and let that darkness soak in. Let this be like a seated shavasana. So relax what you don't need, from the muscles around your eyes to the muscles between your eyebrows and your forehead. Soften your shoulders, hands, hips, down to your feet. And feel your breath smooth, slow, and effortless. Now close your eyes and bring your hands together at heart center. From this place of peace within me to this place of peace within you. Namaste.